Welcome back to Guide Glimpse. Today, let me show you how to post your location on Facebook using the mobile app. First, open the Facebook app and log in if you haven't already. Tap on what's on your mind at the top of your newsfeed. In the text box, tap the location pin icon below. If it's your first time, you might need to grant Facebook access to your location. Once that's done, Facebook will suggest nearby locations. Choose one or search for a specific place. Tap the location to add it to your post. You can now finish writing your post and add any photos or media you want. Before posting, remember to check your privacy settings to control who can see your location. Remember, be mindful in sharing your location on other social media platforms. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.